Internet land, this is your girl Anetta Power, your success coach, and we are on day 4 as to why people fail when they have a blog. Okay, tip number 4, we on day 4. The reason why people fail when they have a blog because they have a bad niche. Okay, you're writing about a bad niche. You have developed a blog around a bad niche. Okay, if people are not talking about a certain niche, it's not a hot topic, guess what? You don't need to be blogging about it. You have to blog about things where you are solving people problems. Okay, you have to blog about, things that are, solving people problems, because when you solve people problems through writing videos and they understand what they need to do to be successful in whatever niche, guess what? They will follow you, and that's the key, Why would you write about something, or why would you be in a niche or have a blog on something that nobody cares about, right? That is so crazy. I don't understand why people do that for the life of me, right? That is like freaking crazy, okay? So if you are in a niche and you start to Google your niche and you see you got a lot of competition out there, that's a good sign. That means that that's a money-making niche, and you need to focus in on it and decide, what topic you're going to, blog about, or what niche you're going to blog about. You can't build a blog off feelings, meaning, oh, well, I guess I will have a blog about cat paws, or I guess I will blog about, dog ears. Guess I'll blog about dog eyes, because you like dog eyes. No, you can't blog, when it comes to feelings when you're trying to make money. You got to find a niche, a passion that you love. Do your research to make sure it's a lot of competition out there. And once you see that people are selling products, you got some public figures in that niche, guess what? Now you start to build your blog, you start to write articles, do videos, and stick with that niche, okay? And that's just the end of the story, right? You have everybody that want to become, be successful in internet marketers, okay? Internet marketing, I'm sorry. You have people that want to be successful in network marketing. Network marketing is a hot topic because it's like, people are looking to get out of the rat race, and network marketing sells as you can get out of the rat race, and they believe in freedom. With network marketing, they teach you how to be free and how to have your own business, and things like that. So a lot of people are looking to free themselves. A lot of people want to quit their job. So, they tend to go into network marketing and they believe in it. But people that don't make it in network marketing is because they don't take the time to educate themselves. I just talked to somebody, a guy today. He said, another guy that I'm mentoring, and he he done did everything. He said, Anetta, I've done everything. He said, when I'll call people be like, oh Lord, here he comes again. People don't even listen to him. And so once he gets to that point, if you haven't learned how to market your business, you stuck. You're not going to make no money. You're going to spin your wheels in network marketing until you take the time to spend the money or do the research to educate and learn exactly what are you doing, okay? And that's just the bottom line, okay? So at the end of the day, guys, it's all about having a great niche so that you can monetize on your niche and writing great articles. And, people need that information. People is looking for that information, and you want to be the go-to person. You want to dominate the internet. So that's why you need to stay consistent, and you need to blog on a daily basis, okay? So with all that said, guys, that is day 4, which is people fail because they have actually start blogging about a bad niche where you're not making any money. So with all that said, have a good day and bye.